Okay, welcome to my channel, Global Tech 1969. I do got more videos on this weed eater. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to start up the weed eater from a fresh start. This is a Stihl weed eater, as you can see there, the FS 56 RC. Very simple process. You push in, lift up, all the way to full choke right there. Now you come over to the back, you're going to pump the fuel bulb right there. About 5 or 6 times. It doesn't matter if you go over, it's just going to pump it right back into the fuel tank. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll give it 8. That's good enough. I'm going to give it one pull and it should like turn on and turn right back off. This weed eater right here is not like the older weed eater. It's actually got like an extra drill in there. When you pull it, it's going to start. If you yank hard, like you do the other weed eater, you end up messing that casing in here and with a spinner in there, and you're gonna have to take it and get replaced. So you don't want to do that. You just gotta lightly pull. I'm gonna lightly pull it, and you hear it turn on, because I haven't ran in a few days, so it should just turn right back off on the first choke. On the full choke, then I'll turn it to half choke. Whenever you do that, do not pull the trigger, because it'll automatically. It ain't like the old weed eater. If you pull the trigger, it'll automatically take it out of choke. It's not like the other weed eater where you got to manually take the choke off. This one, you're ready to go, and you pull you give it gas, it's gonna automatically pull off the choke and go to run mode. So if you're sitting there cranking away, it's not turned on. It's probably because you accidentally pull the gas lever on there, because you used the other one, and that's why it's not turning on. You got to make sure you put it back on choke. So right here, that full choke. I'm gonna give it one pull right there. See how it turned off right there? What I'm going to do now is put it on half choke. I got it on half choke. I'm going to pull the string again and turn it on. Now that I got it on, I'm going to half choke and I pull it. It should stay on this time when I turn it on. Remember, it's going to stay on choke until you pull the lever, the fuel lever. Once you pull the gas lever on there to give it gas, it's when it'll come off a choke. You don't got to take it off the choke manually. And I'll show you that right here. It's going to be noisy when I show you that part, but you'll see what I'm talking about. You don't got to pump it again no more. You already pumped it. You started the first time, and we're going to start it again the second time. You see how that came off when I pulled it? It automatically takes it off the choke for you. What you want to do is let it run for about 30 seconds or so, which I actually let it more because I'm making this video. But there you get a kill switch right here, and it'll automatically go back to run once you push it. You killed it right there, and it's back to run, ready to run. Look. See that? That's simple. So to restart it now the rest of the day, you don't have to put it on choke or nothing like that. You don't got to choke it or half choke or nothing like that anymore. It's ready to start from there because it's got going. As long as it's in good condition. Like I said, this is the kill switch. You don't even got to give it gas. Look, I'm gonna start it back up. See that? And right there, you're ready to cut the rest of the day. I hope this video helped you out. It's very easy to get started. This is how to start the Stihl weed eater FS 56 RC. Like I said, don't yank that coil hard because you end up messing the coil up in there. It's got like a 2-wheel system in there. It's not like the regular weed eater. If you yank it hard, like you got to do on the older weed eater, or other weed eaters I should say, you end up messing up that 2-wheel crank system in there, and then you have to take it and get fixed. So you gotta remember, don't yank hard on these. Turn it on again right quick and I'll show you how easy it is. You don't gotta have it on the board. I just got it on the board because I wanted y'all to be able to see the stuff when I was making this video right here for y'all. But like, I'm not even gonna pull the gas or nothing. I'm just gonna give it a crank and it should start up. See that? Very easy. It's a kill switch. Let me see how light I can go on the pull it. See that? Okay, one more time in case you missed that. Look how lightly I'm gonna pull it and it should turn on. Watch. I even put my hand up here. I'll show you I'm not even touching the gas. Very good, very good. I like this product right here. Anyway, I'll have some more videos on like some people, sometimes when they do the head right here, they remove the head and they put the head on with a plate upside down. That's something you don't want to do, and then it's hard for them to be able to remove the head because it'll jam up in there. And I'll show you how to get to that plate. You can't do it the regular way by sticking the rod in there anymore because you got the plate upside down. So you're gonna have to open this up, and I'll show you that on maybe my next video. We'll see what we got up for y'all next here. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Make sure you watch them videos, man, because I got more coming up on this weed eater. And this is, I'm glad I bought this, man. I bought a different one before this one, and it actually wasn't that great, man. And I ended up returning it, and I paid a lot more money for this one, which I'm glad, because I have not had no trouble with this weed eater at all. This is a good brand right here. So appreciate you watching my video. Give me a like, thumbs up, follow. Make sure you follow, man. You don't want to forget to follow because I got more videos coming up that'll help you with this weed eater. Quick recap. Push in, put on full choke, pump it a few times, about 5 or 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like I said, fuel just go in there. Pull the string. Once it turns off like that, put it on half choke. Pull the string, it should turn on. Remember, you don't got to move it yourself. Once it turns on, you let it sit for about 30 seconds. You're going to push this down so you can pull the trigger. As you can see, look, it automatically takes it off right there, look. Anyway, after you prime it and you start the first time, like I said, put it on half choke. Pull the string without pulling the trigger. It should turn right on. And then you just push this little lever up here. It's automatic shut off and it goes back to start right away. Here we go. Like I said, thanks for watching. I appreciate it very much. It's ready to go for the rest of the day. You don't have to be putting it on choke or anything no more. You're good to go. Appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, I got more videos coming out that's going to help you out a lot. If you're not used to the weed, or even if you're used to it, get a different opinion from somebody else. It helps you out. All right, man. Later. Hola, ¿qué pasa?